So it's been a while. Life got busy, but I am in a different house, not from where I was storing the Mustang originally. Kind of a mess. Still organizing everything. I need to get a toolbox in here. There's the Coyote, and then here's the LQ9. About to start fully tearing it down because there's a lot going on with this thing. It needs to be clean. It probably needs new rockers. I don't know. We'll see. I gotta really see what's going on with it. I did sell the MT82 as well as some of the parts over here, the drive shaft. So the drive shaft, the clutch, clutch and flywheel, a couple other things too. Today's mission, I'm going to be tearing down the LS. I want to try to get the heads off, oil pan off, maybe a couple other things. I did find, I don't know if I can show it, there's like a 10mm socket in the intake ports of the LS, which is kind of funny, but yeah, I need to vacuum off. There's a lot of rat poop. It looks like this thing has been sitting in a yard for a while, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna get started working on. So let's go ahead and do that. There's so many spiders living in these exhaust ports, it's insane. There's like almost no wear on these rockers and the push rods. I mean, this one's a little worn out. This one looks brand new. I'm just gonna keep going and see what we find. That one's a little rough, but not bad. Interesting. Real quick, let's just take a peek. Oh, am I gonna clear? That's that in the way. just temporarily, we are going to stick the pan on. Don't need it to fit exactly, we just need to make sure the pan goes on. Heck yeah.
It's flipping. Oh yeah.
You got it out, you got it out.
Yep. We're goated.
Goated for sure.
Yeah.
Accurate description here. Okay, so Willie and I got it mocked in, just kind of to take a glance, make sure the motor mounts fit, which they actually do for pre-mades. So now, transmission time.
Oh yeah. This thing's fine.
I know.
Up and out.
Yeah.
Mine has a piston that goes up and down.
Oh. Do I have a special delivery?
Is that
I don't know if I have zip ties.
That's all good. We don't need it. Just a precaution. I just won't pull it out. I never pull out.
How's it going?
You're just in time to give us a hand. There you go. There's the part you need.
Alright.
What if this thing just lines up?
I would cry. I would honestly start crying. That's the hard part of turning.
Saved by the crack. That's what.
But yeah. Close enough. That's it.
You were scaring me. I thought something was broke. I was just saying, I'm happy how close she was.
So William just got it mocked up, and the shifter semi lightens up pretty much in the hole. And we got another, what, 2 inches to spare? We are right up against the firewall. Oh, actually not really.
Huh?
No, because that goes back. One of those bolts are cut. But yeah. Let your side take a look.
The D card. Where is mine? 3-finger clearance. Not bad. This thing's pretty HD, Josiah. Which one is it? Oh, it's the 11. I was telling this guy just to get a piece of flat stock and goes right there, but he's above that. This is why he has nice things.
Difficult to work with.
Well, this is why you have a construction job when I work at a chop shop. See, I do cardboard aided design. This guy does real CAD.
Have another rectangle. Create rectangle 2-point. Do the same thing. Should be 13 by 20. Same thing. Sketch dimensions. 14 millimeters. And then this one's going to be 46.
So that's the 1/2 under the car.
Yeah. And I can 3D print in a minute. What's cool too is I can, once I find out what this is, I can carve out this whole section too.
Yeah.
And bond it, like make it look like a stock part. And what's probably gonna happen is I'm probably gonna extrude this. I'm probably gonna extrude this end out right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then that will make our buckle down. So otherwise, I'm just gonna save this. This is cool about this. You can create a project.
Yeah, you're getting canceled, pal.
2018 Mustang GT LS swap. See, there's our 241 that we did.
Oh yeah. Fasteners, LED lights. They know a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Raspberry Pi Zero.
Okay. Let's go hook up the 3D printer. Ow, I just totally cut myself with the freaking
Cable.
the box. So luckily, when I went over, I took 2 backup cables. So we don't need that.
I'll put it back.
Because look, I can literally just, the way it was.
Plug it right back in.
And then, fun fact too, should just take the address. Should just take the same IP address I did.
That's one car I had, like, it would, like, all the outputs were, like, on the same thing, so, like, it just wouldn't,
Yeah.
it wouldn't work at all.
That's the one downside about this printer, you have to, like, screw on the stupid holder. Only thing I hate about this printer. I could get aftermarket ones, but I don't have the money for that. City gotta pay for that.
I ain't paying for that.
Bolt tight.
How tight is too tight on this 3D printer?
Tight.
Can we cook eggs on this thing? I'm hungry. Since you showed me that video of the dude cooking breakfast on it, I've seen like 15 more.
Yeah, it's still high. It's just like if you left it in a car, it'd warp.
Yeah.
There we go.
Like a big piece with like this mount you're making would warp.
Yep. It's pooping.
So just, you gotta stick it in the tube.
Yep. And I'll grab on. There we go, grabbed on, so I can stick this in, shut it, and we should start seeing some yellow come out.
So that black thing is like...
That's the old filament, that's that ABS filament.
Yeah, but that should be like 400 something Celsius, or 400.
Yeah, it's higher than that, it's like 600.
So I shouldn't touch it.
No, you can touch it, it's hot. Alright, we're gonna load one more time.
Oh yeah, it's not burning my fingers. Yeah, we're still clipping on. It's pissing. It's pissing.
Okay. We'll get Fusion 360 roll on here. Let me see if I can use it. So I know that vlog kind of was all over the place. We just kind of wanted to get the transmission in and a couple other things. I began designing the mounts, which the next version of that was this. This helped me figure out my distances from the bolt holes and then also the height of the mount. On my next vlog, I hopefully should have a video on me kind of walking through how I did it. I didn't film any of it, but I'm gonna walk through how I designed it. And then hopefully the CNC part comes in. I already ordered that. And hopefully everything works out. I'm a little bit worried about that. But the motor is still in the car. I gotta, once the CNC mount comes in, then I'll pull off the engine, transmission, start tearing down the engine. And we'll get fully into a breakdown, painting the motor, cleaning it. I still haven't decided if I want to go to a machine shop, but maybe eventually. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys.